Guys, welcome back to another Roblox video. Today we'll be playing Realtor Simulator. So yeah, let's get right into the game, guys. Woo! 1 second, guys. I gotta do. So yeah. Still got that one sub limit, that one subscriber goal. I really just want one subscriber, guys. It's that hard. But not to be mean or anything, guys. You guys are actually a big help. You guys are a big help to my career. I mean, my YouTube career that's might come or not come. Either way. So yeah. So you guys are actually a big help to me. And if you guys have a suggestion of what I should make my YouTube channel name or something like that, because I'll totally take the suggestion because I really don't have a good idea for my YouTube channel name. My little brother came up with it. In fact, I just added the ending to it. So yeah, that's actually how my channel was made. So yeah, so really, I'm gonna be a really big gamer. If you guys don't already know. Oh god, that girl just bought a phone. Yes, people are buying my phone. People are buying my phones, my smartphones. I'm not ripping people off at all, guys. I'm ripping people off, guys. I'm totally ripping people off. So yeah. We got my friend Do Rages. If I would have done a funny video, I would have had the perfect funny video before, because I was playing with a friend and he totally rage quit and just he literally has not messaged me back. Like he literally just like. And now someone's friending me. I'm really only friending people. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna friend some people other than Jack, as you guys could see. He was a really good friend. Oh wait, you guys never met Jack. Yeah, you guys will meet Jack in the future. He hasn't been in the video yet, but that's because I haven't seen him on Roblox yet today. Let's see. I haven't seen him on Roblox today at all. Oh no, freak, that was on purpose. Yes, guys, I maxed it. As you guys can see, I'm having a run. I'm running smoothly. My business is running really nice. So yeah, I'm making a ton of money. I'm gonna spread this out. How much money do I need? I'm gonna go buy more land. I need 1,000 guys. Should I get it, guys? I think I should. I'm gonna get it. I'm saving now. Or I could get a bigger parking lot that is free, guys. That's a ton of money. Hey, I already have that. Why would I buy the same thing I have, guys? Oh, guys, that's a robber. That's a robber, guys. Guys, I'm gonna go arrest him. That's right, you stupid robber. That's right. Go to jail. Stupid robbers. Dang it, I'm dumb. No offense, but that guy was a total dumbo. Like, like if I say anybody's mean like a Dumbo in my videos, it's just because I'm probably raging. But right now I'm not raging, so that guy is Dumbo because he literally just walking in. Guys, look in chat. Look what it says right there in chat, guys. Farts into sword. Oh my god. Good. If you guys can get your friends to sub to me, and if you guys sub to me, and if you get your friends to sub to me, that'd be a big help to my YouTube channel, and I would love it, and you would get and you would get a shout out. Get a shout out in one of my vids, and yeah. Oh god. And if you guys want to be in my videos, I will be setting up some Discord soon that you guys can talk to me and while I'm recording. So yeah. Oh god. So yeah, guys. What does that say? Nubs. It says nubs and noobs, but not. Yeah, but guys, please sub. That would help me a bunch. 1 sub equals 1 more vid. And next vid, I will be playing with someone. That is a promise. Sorry, that was my little brother. He's raging. Oh, he's crying. Oh, God. Oh, my vid. Okay. Sorry, guys. My little brother has some rage issues, and he's in another room. I am. When my neighbors are at my house, so yeah. So every day I can play around 3. Schedules might change around in the future. Like maybe 2 years I'll start around, my videos will start being posted around 5, 6 maybe. But the reason I'm starting to post, the reason these are going out so late is because I'm making videos I'm making videos just to start up my channel a little bit, so I'm posting more. But I'm gonna at least post 1 or 2 I'm at least gonna post 1 or 2 a day. And yeah. And check out my other video. I'm so salty. I was playing something like, I don't know. It's like it's better. It's more popular than Jailbreak right now. And I played it and I raged. Like I was raging. I wasn't raging out loud. I had to restart recording because I was raged. But I just didn't show that. I restarted the whole recording after I raged. And sorry if you hear people talking. That's my neighbors. They're at my house. And yeah. If you guys want to play with me, just message me like always. Blah 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 blah. I've repeated this like throughout videos. 3 videos I've ever made. blah, 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 blah. I'm not going over it again because I don't want to sound like a jerk and just trying to get subs. And at the same time, I'm trying to get subs, but I'm not trying to get subs by just yeah, like just keep on saying sub to me, sub to me, sub to me. It sounds kind of like sub to me. I kind of did. I'm gonna call my friend, guys. So 1 second. Come on, come on. Oh no, he just hangs up on me, guys. He's just hanging up on me. He's mad. I don't know why he's mad at me. Like, he's just hanging up on me. Maybe because school's tomorrow. I could totally understand that. But the only reason schedule's changing, guys, is because school's coming back, and I gotta work with that as well. So that's why my posting is gonna be different. On weekends, I'm gonna post like 3 a day. I mean, no, like 5 or 4 a weekend. Like 2 a day over a weekend. I want to at least try posting 2 a day. If you guys can tell me if you guys want that or once a day, just leave in the subscription box down below. And yeah. So that's the end of this video, guys. I'll be posting tomorrow around 3 or 4. And bye. Yeah, bye guys. Have a good night and have a good school week. Bye.